Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Zelana. And today I would like to show you how I make my Moroccan Sfinge. It's a Moroccan donut that we usually make on Hanukkah. I start off with 1 cup of warm water, 2 tablespoons of dry yeast, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix it all together and leave it like that for about 10-15 minutes. After about 20 minutes, that's how the yeast looks like, the mixture with the yeast, water, and sugar. Flour, all-purpose flour, regular flour, 7 cups, 2 eggs, large eggs, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 packet of sugar vanilla, it's about 10 grams, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 2 tablespoons of some type of alcohol. In my case, I'm gonna put whiskey here. You can put vodka, it's fine too. And basically you can start mixing all the ingredients together. Okay, so we're gonna put the yeast mixture in here. It rise nicely. So remember, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of yeast. And you can start mixing the ingredients slowly. I like to add about 3.5 cups of warm water and just mix the dough. Once you get to this consistency, it's time to add your 1/8 cup of flour. You can add it right away or gradually. The end result consistency, you're looking for a sticky, wet, a stretchy dough. That's how it looks like. See how stretchy it is? Cover the dough and let it rise for about an hour and a half, or until it doubles the size. Since the dough is very sticky and watery, ideally is to put some oil on your hands and start shaping the dough. Start shaping the little balls and make a little hole inside the ball. And start frying it. I usually fry on a medium heat on a deep oil. If you want the exact measurements of the degrees, it's about 165 degrees Celsius. It's not too fast, not too slow. It'll take you about 1 to 3 minutes to fry them on each side. The more oil you put on your hands, the easier it is to work with them. Ideally is to put a little piece of carrot inside the oil so less oil will be absorbed inside the donuts. Once they're nice golden brown color, they're ready to get flipped. Ideally is to eat them obviously right after you fry them. They are so delicious. They're very fluffy and airy, soft, melting in your mouth. From now on, basically use your imagination what you want to put on top of them. You can also put like some sugar and cinnamon or some other toppings that you like. Look at this, it looks so beautiful, and inside it's so bubbly and fluffy, and they're so tasty and hot too.
Oh, so hot.
It's so hot. I know. Ooh.
That's my little helper behind the scenes. For those of you who don't know, I have a Facebook page and Facebook group that's called Cooking with Zelana. You can also follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Zelana. If you like this video, please don't forget to press the like button. And if you're not with me yet, subscribe to my channel if you like this content. Don't forget to share this video with your families and friends, and hopefully all of us will have good holidays. As always, I love making those videos and I love sharing it with you. Hopefully you like watching them. Special thanks for those who are sharing my videos and commenting on them. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. May God bless us.